the biggest difficulty that you face in the geography optional mains examination? When the questions such as the sequential development of areal differentiation, economic significance of marine resources, or contemporary application of Malthusian theory comes in the examination, then you are stuck because you do not have the enrichment material to write in the geography optional answers. Hence, between prelims and mains in a concrete time, you need to enhance your answers with the integration of thinkers, theories, models, and integration of paper 1 and paper 2. So we are starting with GEO 300 plus program, where you will be taught all these concepts and the enrichment of your geography optional answers. So you can join the program by clicking on the link given in the description box. Thank you.